full script with markers. Must be 1,200 plus words. Midnight hook. 3 months ago, Sarah had no idea that AI would change her life forever. She was just another trader trying to make sense of the stock market's chaotic movements. But then she stumbled upon something extraordinary. 0-30 setup. Sarah, a seasoned trader based in New York City, had been in the game for over a decade. She'd read the best personal finance books, used the best personal finance app 2025, and followed the best personal finance advice. Yet, she felt like she was missing something. The stock market seemed unpredictable, almost random, until she discovered an AI tool that promised to uncover hidden patterns. This wasn't just any AI tool. It was a sophisticated algorithm designed to analyze decades of stock market data. Sarah was skeptical at first, but the results were undeniable. The AI had found a pattern that humans had missed for 20 years. 1 o'clock, new development. Here's where it gets interesting. The pattern wasn't some complex formula or obscure indicator. It was something so simple that most traders overlooked it. The AI had identified a recurring price action that signaled major market shifts. 1:30 tension. But there was a catch. Not everyone was ready to embrace this new discovery. Traditional traders were skeptical, dismissing it as just another fad. They argued that the stock market was too unpredictable for any AI to crack its code. Sarah knew she had to prove them wrong. 2 o'clock, rising action. The challenge was clear. Sarah needed to demonstrate the power of this AI pattern in real-world trade. She started small, testing the pattern on a few select stocks. The results were promising, but she needed more proof. So she decided to go bigger. She invested a significant portion of her portfolio following the AI's guidance. The initial trades went well, but then came the unexpected twist. The market took a sudden turn, and Sarah's investments were at risk. Trois surprise. Things got complicated. The AI pattern seemed to fail, and Sarah was left questioning its reliability. Was it all just a fluke? She dug deeper, reanalyzing the data, and that's when she made a shocking discovery. The pattern wasn't failing, it was evolving. 4 o'clock complications. The real surprise was coming. The AI had adapted to the changing market conditions, refining the pattern to account for new variables. Sarah realized that the AI wasn't just a tool, it was a partner in her trading journey. Together, they could navigate the stock market's complexities. But the road ahead wasn't smooth. There were still skeptics who doubted the AI's capabilities. Sarah knew she had to convince them. She started sharing her findings with other traders, showing them the power of the AI pattern. Slowly but surely, they began to see the potential. 5 o'clock, new question. But what happened next changed everything. The AI pattern gained widespread recognition, and more traders started using it. The stock market landscape shifted, and those who embraced the AI were reaping the rewards. Sarah had proven that the AI pattern was a game changer. 6 o'clock, climax. The big reveal came when Sarah presented her findings at a major trading conference. The room was packed with industry experts, all eager to learn about the AI pattern. Sarah took the stage, confident in her knowledge. As she spoke, the audience was captivated. They saw the potential of the AI pattern and how it could transform their trading strategies. But the real surprise was yet to come. After the presentation, several major investment firms approached Sarah, interested in partnering with her. They recognized the value of the AI pattern and wanted to incorporate it into their trading models. Sarah had achieved something she never thought possible. 7 o'clock, resolution. What we learned from Sarah's journey is that sometimes the answers we seek are right in front of us. The AI pattern proved that with the right tools and mindset, we can unlock hidden opportunities in the stock market. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. 7:30, subscribe, CTA. Subscribe and hit the bell. We drop new finance content every single day. The next story is even crazier. If you like this, watch our upcoming video on the best personal finance tracker for 2026. 8 o'clock N.